Dear students of class 12th, today our topic is how to explain an extract, stanza or paragraph. And to explain any stanza or paragraph, we must come to know some certain things, and the things are: first, go through the chapter or the poem thoroughly, understand the theme of the chapter. After this, every chapter and every poem has a particular difference in the stanzas and paragraph you must come to know. Then try to understand the specific message. Try to understand the writing style or the genre of the chapter of the prose or poetry. After this, you write hint. In hint, you write 2 or 3 words of the beginning of the stanza or paragraph, and then in the last you write 2 or 3 words of the last part of the stanza or paragraph. After this, you write context. While writing context, we will have to pay attention to some important things. In my opinion, there should be at least 5 sentences in the context. So 2 sentences should be based on mental and social condition of the poet and writer, and 2 sentences should be based on the whole chapter of the poem and the chapter. It should be based on the theme, and last sentence should be to connect the stanza, the particular stanza that you are going to explain. Now comes the turn of explanation. In explanation, while writing explanation, go through each sentence given in the extract. First, understand the literal meaning and the sense of the poet or the writer. Then, according to the theme of the extract, give 1 or 2 supporting sentences from your own with examples if necessary. Add your own understanding. Clarify the idea written in difficult sentences. You should clarify it in easy sentences and should be easy to understand. Add your own. Okay, you have added some sentences. After this, you connect it to the general understanding of the people, and you write 2 or 3 sentences on your own on each sentence. After this, you write comment. In comment, you use language and style. Language and style means you should write what type of the poem is. Means the poem may be lyric, the poem may be ballad, etc. And figure of speech, you should pay attention in comment what figure of speech is used in that particular stanza. In this way, your explanation will be completed, and that was all. If you have any question, you can ask.